we sometimes can ask our partner, what's wrong? And we think we're being empathetic. What's wrong? What's wrong? And our partner hears that is, why are you the problem? Why are you the problem? Why can't you just be happy? So instead of saying what's wrong or pulling out, say, hey, I just want to feel you. How do we connect? And it's a lifelong commitment to try to do that.
He brings the facts. You can tell that it's his passion. I think that is a unique gift to have, and I love that he is here sharing that gift with us.
That's a gift. See, and he was nervous about volunteering, right? Shoot, get your money's worth out of this hotel now.